So hey, so I thought I'd put my bow on for you today, for me today, because it's like pouring rain. I love it. It's pouring down rain, and that's a very good thing. It's actually what I needed so that I would like stay calm, just relax. I keep telling, just relax. So I can stay present. Just relax. Just relax. Just relax. So I put on my bow. Isn't that funny? I love it. So I keep saying so. So maybe I should sew something. Sew a needle pulling thread. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I always think in song. I don't know about you, but Source channels through me that way, among others. I mean, everything's a channel. We're all a channel. Everything we say, we're channeling. So, there's that word again. I forget what I was going to say. It was something I wanted to say. Share. I wanted to share. But I'm loving the rain. I'm loving it. Maybe we should go out. Let's go out on the deck and we'll hear the rain, shall we? Let's go listen to the rain. Let's go listen to the rain. Let's go listen to the rain. Let's go, don't trip on the cord. Here we go. Hi. So, I remember what it was. One of the things I wanted to just share with you was that it's so important to remember that you are loved. You're loved. You are love, and you are loved. And you may not feel like it or remember that, but I'm here to tell you and remind you that you are loved so very much. And hear the rain? Here. It's a rainy one. It's so much fun. Oh, what fun it is to sit in the porch, on the porch with you right now. So yeah, I just wanted to say that remember that you are loved always, in all ways. And to remember that, just remember that you are loved. And remember that you are loved. And that we are all starting to connect better now that we are releasing the illusion of separateness. And you are consciousness. And it's floating right here. Source is right here with you. And so am I. Because there is no space or time. And everything's happening now, as we know. And so, just be in the now. Or at least work towards being in the now, being present. Everything you do, do it consciously. Do it consciously. Not out of repetitive habit and like unconscious patterns and habits and such. Really think, do I really want to do that? Every minute. Every minute think, do I really want to do that? It's like, I think I really want to go walk in the rain. I love it. Oh my gosh, let me switch this so that you can see the... So beautiful. Have a happy day.